Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are starting a brand new series on literature and we are starting right from zero. So, if you are completely new to literature, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what literature really is, its nature, scope, and how it connects with the society, science, and morality. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. If you want more easy and simple explanations of English literature topics, okay, let's dive in. What is literature? So, first thing first, what is a literature? Literature is basically written or a spoken work that expresses ideas, feelings, experiences, and imagination in a creative way. But it is not just any writing, for example. Your shopping list is a writing, but it is not a literature. A literature which includes a particular form. The form may be a novel, poem, or a play. On the other hand, is literature because it expresses human emotions, experiences, and ideas beautifully. In simple words, literature is art with the words. Literature expresses beauty, imagination, and thought. It reflects human life and society. It can be written or a oral. Remember, stories were told orally long before books were invented. For instance, Shakespeare's plays like Hamlet are a literature because they explore human nature, emotions, and moral questions. Next one, meaning of literature. Let's break it down further. The word literature. The word literature comes from the Latin word literatura, which means simply writing formed with a letter. But when we talk in a modern sense, literature is a more than just writing. It is creative, it is expressive, it is aesthetic. What does it mean of creative? It is made with the imagination. Expressive, it expresses thoughts and emotions. Aesthetic means it is meant to please and touch the reader's mind or heart. So basically, literature is any art of language that teaches, entertains, or moves us. Nature of a literature. Now, let's understand the nature of literature. Nature means what makes literature special. Here are some important points. Artistic expression. Literature is an art like painting or a music, but with the words, it uses language beautifully. And it is imaginative. Writers use their imagination to create a new worlds, characters, or ideas. And it is emotional. Literature makes us feel things, joy, sadness, fear, love. As that, literature is a permanent value. Good literature lasts long. Even works from hundreds of years ago, like the Iliad or a Shakespeare, are still read today. Next point of a scope is it really reflects society. Literature often shows life, culture, and social issues. So, in a short, literature is a art, imagination, and a human experience wrapped in words. Think of literature as a mirror of life, but also as a window into the human mind. Scope of literature. Next comes the scope of literature. Basically, what all literature covers or studies. There are genres, genres, poetry, drama or plays, prose, themes, and many more things are there. I will explain what is a genre, genre, what we call. Literature is divided into different forms. That form is called genre or genre. Poetry expresses feelings in a rhythm and verse, and a drama or a play is meant to be performed. Prose includes novel, short stories, essays, themes. Literature talks about love, war, society, nature, life, and human emotions. And even it talks about criticism and analysis. We also study literature to understand its meaning, style, and impact. That is where literary theory comes in. Cultural and historical of literature. So, as we know that literature it gives us insights. Through literature, we can understand different times, societies, and culture. It helps us the purpose of the education, and it even educate us. Literature improves language skill, critical thinking, and moral understanding. Next one, literature and society. Now let's talk about literature and society. Literature reflects society, meaning it shows how people live, what they believe, and the issues they face. For example, Charles Dickens' Oliver Twist, it's a novel, shows poverty and injustice in a Victorian England. Similarly, Indian literature like Prem Chand's stories show rural life, social problems, and traditions. So, literature is like a mirror. It reflects society's culture, norms, and struggles. Literature and science. Next, literature and science. You might think science and literature are completely different, but they are connected. Science inspires literatures. For example, science fiction novels like H.G. Wells' The Time Machine explore scientific ideas through imagination. Literature explains science. Writers use stories to make scientific ideas understand and interesting. Critical thinking. Both science and literature train the mind to observe, analyze, and question. So, literature and science work together to expand our understanding of the world. Literature and morality. Finally, literature and morality. Literature often teaches lessons about right and wrong, helping us understand human values and ethics. For example, Aesop's fables like tortoise and the hare. We most of people we have already heard the stories of tortoise and the hare. It teaches what? Teach patience and persistence. Novels, poems, and plays often show consequences of the actions, guiding moral thinking. So, literature is not just a fun, it also shapes our character and thinking. Next, important key points. Let's quick sum up. Literature is art with the words. Its nature is creative, expressive, emotional, and reflective of life. What is the scope of the literature? Literature scope is a broad. It includes forms, themes, society, science, morality, culture, and education. Whenever you read a story, poem, or a play, think about what is it expressing? How does it reflect society? What scientific, moral, or cultural insights does it give me? So, friends, students, now I am going to conclude it. That is it for today's video. Hope now you have a clear idea of what literature is. It's a nature, scope, and connection with the society, science, and morality. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, comment below which connection interests you most. This is the question that I'm going to ask you. If you like this video, of course, so you can even put your comment that the question I am going to ask you today. The question is society, science, or morality. What does it mean of this? In the next video, we will talk about the different types of literature and their importance. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you in the next class. Thank you.